YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my Boxycharm for the month of August. So if you want to see what I received in my Boxycharm Base Box for the month of August, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm excited because I just got my Boxycharm Base Box in the mail. I got my Boxycharm Premium the other day, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll have that linked up above. But yes, I just got my base box, and I got my add-ons from my Premium box too today. I did have to open the box because I wasn't sure what it was, but it's my add-on, so we'll be going through that as well. But yes, if you do not know what the Boxycharm is, Boxycharm is a $25 subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size products valuing over $120. So yes, 25 bucks, and this should be over 120 bucks in this box, so that is not bad at all. So we're gonna go on and jump into this video because I know this is what you're here for, and I'm ready to open up my box. Hence, you know, a girl ain't even got no makeup on, okay? So I got my handy scissors right here. Gonna cut that and open the box. And this is the box right here, Boxycharm, and then it has, like, you know, tags and hashtags and stuff like that you can use. And this month's theme for Boxycharm is Boxy Glamping, so that is cute. And I got variation 33. So let's get into this box. I'm excited. So first item is that I got this 4-piece eye brush collection set from Morphe. So this is the packaging. It's cute packaging. I do like that. And you can never go wrong with brushes, especially for the eyes, because I really am bad at cleaning my brushes. Don't like cleaning them. I have stuff to clean them. So it's nice to have a whole bunch of eye brushes that, you know, on standby that you can pick up. So let me take them out so we can see them better. Ooh, so cute. So here goes the brushes right here. What the card says. It says the Morphe I got this brush set. Just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. Collection includes oval shadow brush, pro filming brush, pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush, and it retails for $12. So that's not bad, $12 for 4 brushes. So I will give them a try and see how they work. Morphe's known for their brushes, so I don't think I own any Morphe brushes. The only brushes I own are Jeffree Star that I bought from Morphe. So yeah, and let's move on. So the next item we have is the Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer by Elizabeth Mott. And I like this packaging, very pretty. I love the colors. And on the side it has eyes, super cute. And this is an eyeshadow primer, which is something I can definitely use. So, ooh, and I love the pink packaging, super cute. Super cute, I like this. So let's see what this states. It says the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Applying in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your eyeshadow. So it retails for $20. So this isn't bad. I'm going to give it a try, see if I like it or whatnot. I usually use concealer on my eyelids, but I do try primers out too. So I'm going to try this and see how it does. Ooh. Next up, this is by Milk Cosmetics, and this is the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. So I did get something from Milk in one of my boxes last month, and I believe it was in my Boxycharm, and it was a lash primer, and it was the Kush. So I will definitely put this in a giveaway with that, but this is what the box looks like. And then it has the before and after for your brows. So yes, I will definitely put this in the giveaway, and whoever wins the giveaway will get a lash primer from Milk and a brow primer from Milk too. So the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition, and it retails for $20. So that's nice. We'll see how one of my lucky subscribers will like that. And then next up, ooh, this is from GlamGlow. It's the Moisturetirp Omega Rich Moisturizer. Ooh, I just love the packaging. So beautiful. All right. I love it. So let's open this up. Ooh. It does have like a light tinted green. I don't know if it's pulling off on camera, I can't tell, but it's a light tinted like mint green looking. So that is nice. It just smells like a moisturizer, and it says the GlamGlow Moisturetirp Omega Rich Face Moisturizer is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress, and it retails for $54. So this is not bad, and for $54 I probably wouldn't have picked this up in the store. So I am very pleased with this, and I'm going to try this out. So last but not least, we have a palette. It is by Butter London. It's the Teddy Boy palette. It's a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I like the packaging, nice and clean. And let's open her up. Ooh, it has the shadows on the back, y'all. So, but I still want to open her. Let's see, because you know, ooh, I like this. How you open it like a book. Ooh, okay, okay. All right, this is cute. It says, looking good, darling. I love that. Look at that. It says, looking good, darling. But this is the palette. There's a little mirror on the side. But yes, it's very neutral. So this is something that I would use on a regular basis. If I know I'm just doing something neutral, boom, on the go, everyday looks, nothing too much, I would definitely use this, and then maybe, you know, use a little bit of the black to smoke it out for night looks. But definitely a cute palette. This is something that I will keep because I do love the browns in here. So yes, let's do some swatching. So I want to swatch Freddie, Mick, Francis, and Billy. So we have Freddie right here. Ooh, my bracelets be getting in the way. So that's like a light blue. That's nice, matches my background. And then we have Mick. Oh, a nice another blue that matches my background, but it's more shimmery. So I do like that. Super cute. All right, and next up we have Francis. And look at that. Oh, see, I told you I love these colors. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And then next up we have Billy. So that is Billy. Super cute. Yes, these are definitely colors that I will wear on a regular basis. So yeah, I will be keeping this and playing with this palette. So that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm. In my Boxycharm Base Box. So, the Butter London Teddy Boy Eyeshadow Palette, a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone neutral hues. Create an array of looks with the matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry mirrored compact, and it retails for $28. So it's not bad at all. I am pleased with my box. I keeping pretty much everything except for the brow primer. I'm going to give this away to one of my lucky subscribers. You can't go wrong with some makeup brushes, especially eyeshadow brushes. And I'm gonna try the primer out and see how I like it, and let you guys know if it's a yay or a nay. And I am very pleased with my palette because, like it says, it's really compact, so you can throw it in your purse. And these are shadows that I would definitely wear on an everyday basis, so very pleased with that. But for my add-ons, I can't remember how much this one was. I added on the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. It's with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So I like the Dr. Brandt brand. I like a lot of their products for my face. I love their sleeping mask. I love their vitamin C serum. I love their retinoid eye cream. So I decided to pick this up when I seen it was there. I can't remember the price off the top of my head, so I'll have that link down below in the description box, how much this cost as an add-on. But it definitely wasn't expensive, I'm gonna tell you that right now. So I'm happy about this. And then for my next add-on, I got the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I was super stoked about this. I could not believe it. I love this foundation. You've seen me use this in a few videos. I love this foundation. And it's expensive. I think it's like $45 to $54, somewhere in that range. So it is expensive. But when I seen this as an add-on for $9, I said, I'm getting it. I don't care if it's even a sample size, because I really thought it was going to be a sample size. But no, it is a full-size foundation, which is 1.0 fluid ounces. So I was really, really pleased with this. And it is my shade. So in maple. But yeah, I am just so pleased. I thought that I was going to get like a little sample size for $9, and no, I got the full bottle, honey. So very, very, very pleased with this. I would definitely check it out. This is a very nice size for $9, especially of some foundation that is very great and costly. This is like great for your skin. It is full coverage. It does last 24 hours. And what I love about it, it just makes your skin very glowy and hydrated. It doesn't seem very dry or cakey, or at the end of the day creases and stuff of that nature. So I love this foundation, you guys. So if you have not gone on Boxycharm, you are slipping. Sign up for Boxycharm. You can't beat $25 a month. And then you can check out the little great add-ons. Like, come on now, I got a foundation for $9. So, yes, I am very pleased with everything that I got. I'm happy with this month's box. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.